All right, I got this VRV unit, Daikin. I'll just show you how to get to the error list. All right, so we got BS1, BS2, and BS3. Press BS1 once, you get 1.00. The 00 will be flashing. We want to change this to 1.17. That's your first error message. So you press BS2 17 times. I'm at 15, 16, 17. So I'm at 1.17. I press BS3 to enter, return, meaning return like on the keyboard when you press enter. Enter, my code is U4. Press BS2 to continue the code. U4-01 is what my code is telling me. Press BS2 again, it'll show you again. U4, press it again, -01. Press BS1 to go back to normal operation. Screen blank, that's normal operation. Now we want to go to the second code. We need to pull up 1.18. Press BS1, bring up your 1.00. Press BS2 18 times. I'm at 18. Press BS3 as your enter button. And now I'm at UA, error code, BS2-53. UA, BS2-53. Once again, press BS1 to go back to the start. Press BS1 to get 1.00. Press BS2 19 times to get to number 19. Now I'm at 1.19. Press BS3 as my enter button. Oh, shit, I clicked it a little too fast, but 119. Enter. I got U4. You can't see that shit on the camera, but U4 BS2-01. It did look like an 81, but yeah, 01. U4-01. There's BS1, and that's how you check the goddamn codes. Fuck. Oh, and shit, if you want to see how many head units connected, press 1, BS1, go to number 10. So BS2 10 times. 1.10, press BS3 for enter. And it's telling me 20. So I got 20 head units on this specific VRV. Now I'm about to go see what the hell that one talking about. But yeah, that's how you do it, man. It's so hard to find a damn video.